Okay, so before and after, have you seen the difference? So I'm gonna show you the process and how it works. So get cinema grade, very dope plugin I used to just make all of this stuff. So get to the site cinema grade and you can just try for 7 days trial and just mean yeah, to feel how it works. So this is how it just look. The interface just looks so massive. So this is how you're gonna do it. So this is my footage right now, and I'm gonna show you how it works. Okay, so first you need to click on this one. Okay, here and saturation, luminance adjustment. Then you hit here and you drag it. Okay, change the hue to feel how it works. Okay, so let me just be in this my normal stage and just come to the second one, saturation and adjustments. Okay, then you drag it. Okay, so simple. You hold it, you can hold the skin side, then you drag it to the top. Okay, then you come to the side, the contrast adjustment, then you just hold it. So this is how it's gonna be. So let's check the before and after. So cool. And just move to exposure adjustments. So I'm gonna take it down like this. Okay, not too much, like this, to get a face well, and just say control this one. Okay, so all the thing we just need to be careful with how it just move. So I'm going to maintain it to the normal skin tone color, and I will move to this one again and just drag it and see how it works. Okay, so yeah, okay, before and after. So I really love cinema grade, it works so good. And I'll just come to color temperature adjustments and let's see how it works. So I'm going to add yellow temperature color, just little and not much, cool like this, and let's see before and after. Okay, so this is how it works. So you can just apply it and get it here. Okay, so that's how it works. So let's just mute here and have you seen it, and let's move to the first one. So let me just create this one. Okay, and you search it for you, effects, cinema grade. Okay, so this is the plugin, and then you drag it all to here, then we open it. So this is how it works, and it's very cool plugin, and you can use it at any time you just want. Okay, just click here and drag it. Okay, drag it like this, and the skin tone. So I'm gonna change it to cool like this, not much to the top line. Then I will just come to contrast. Okay, and I will make it cool like this. So let's just do before and after. Okay, and here too, to make the exposure just be in the top here. Okay, let me just click and make it cool like this. Okay, then I'll just move to this one. You can add to this, or you can come down to like something like this. Okay, so that's how it works. Or you can open this side, come to the down here. Okay, to control all this. Okay, so have you seen? This is so cool. I really love it. And you can change the blue color. Okay, change the hue. Okay, to something like this. It's not bad. And the yellow color. Okay, some cool like this. So the chest before, after. Okay, so you can just try and see how it works. very dope. Then apply it and you get it here. Okay, so let's move to this one too. Okay, let's open. You have to make it you need to separate it and just drag the plugin to every single footage and just work on it. Okay, and this one too, I'll just come to contrast and just drag it like this. Okay, move to exposure to make it like this, and I just move to the hue and make it cool like this, and just come to this one and I will drag it. Okay, just drag it like this, and I will just control this and see how it works. Okay, so this is how it works. So perfect. And you can just change things, or you can control all this. Okay, so let me just move there to this one. Okay, to make it like this and add more saturation. Okay, and just cool like this, and the red to add like this. Okay, before and after. Okay, how we said it. So this is the first one, second one, third. I'm getting to this one, fourth. Well, I'm just dragging it away here. Then you open it. Okay, so I'll shut this one down and open it. Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing to this one. Okay, so click here, drag it, can change the color. So I just want to maintain the normal color, and then just come to this one and drag it like this. Okay, then I'll add shallow, just let's show like this, and I'll just move to the contrast and add it to like this, and I'll come to this one and just make it cool like this, and let's see how this one is gonna be. Okay, and I'm going to add this one a little, not much. Okay, then I'll just move to the side and then come to here. Okay, so I'm gonna move the red some cool like this, and the green, let's see, check here, symmetry over there, then and the blue. Okay, so check the pole. Okay, and let's move to this one. Okay, so change this one a little bit and just increase it. Okay, and let me just bring this one down, not much, down, cool like this. Check before, after. Okay, before, after, and apply it. Okay, so guys, this is how it works. Okay, so let's get to it and just feel how it works. I really love it. Okay, so let me just give you a minute to spy. Okay, so done here. Subscribe to my page and I'm going to drop more video. See you for the next video. Bye.